Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we have another makeup look. It's about this understated classic red carpet look, and I thought to do it, although I know I'm late to the party, but it suits anyone, any occasion, any age, any outfit really. I don't know if you've noticed, but many VIPs choose to wear this kind of makeup on the red carpet, and I think that tells a lot. I paired the eye look with this lip. You can go for a really classic red if you wish, but this suits my personality and also my skin tone. So without no further ado, let's jump into this makeup look. So I'm starting the makeup by doing my eyebrows first. This is the Wonder Brow Gel Eyebrow in Brunette, and I'm using a brush for this from Zoeva. Then to make them stay in place, I am using the Maybelline Brow Drama Sculpting Brow Mascara in Dark Blonde. Then let's get onto the eyelids. I am using now a cream eyeshadow from Kiko. It's called Metallic Shine Eyeshadow in 01, and it's like a pearlescent pink. The brush I'm using is from Zoeva, and it's very good for cream eyeshadows and cream products in general. Next, I'm going to blend out the line that the previous color left with this eyeshadow from MAC. It's another satiny eyeshadow, and this brush is from Zoeva as well, and it's very good for blending and doing the crease work. It's the 228, by the way. So as you can see, I applied it to the whole crease area and also to the outer corner of my eye, and I created like a soft cut crease with this. I'm now ready for my next move, which is using this eyeshadow from Kiko. It's the 137, and I aim with this to make the upper lash line stand out, mostly the outer corner of my eye. The brush I'm using for this is from e.l.f. and I'm using tapping motions to really get that pigment into my skin, into my lid, and to make the lash line really stand out, and also to blow out the edges because I want a really soft look. I then took a smudging brush from Real Techniques to be sure that the lines are not visible. Everything has to be really soft and defined. I'm always curling my lashes because I like the way my eye looks. It's more open, it looks more awake. I just like that look. Then I'm using a mascara from Maybelline. It's the Push Up Angel in black. It has a small curved wand, and I really like that because I can get into those lashes and make them from the roots to the ends really black. Now for the lashes, I chose to use the Ardell Demi Wispies in black because they are going to make my eye more elongated at the outer corner and just a touch more than my natural ones. For tight lining, I'm using the gel eyeliner in black from Inglet in 77, and this is the best one on the market. You can trust me on this. Now I'm going to highlight under the brows and the inner corners of my eyes with the Dior Skin Nude Air Illuminizer in 002. To moisturize my skin, I'm using the Hydrine Riche Moisturizer from La Roche-Posay, of course, and then I am using a primer from Misha. It's the BB Boomer. My foundation, it's an all-time favorite from Chanel. It's the Vita Lumiere Aqua in the shade 30. I like to apply this one with my clean hands, and in general, especially when I want the skin to look unmade up, really natural and flawless. My illuminating concealer is from Max Factor. It's the Mustard Touch All Day Concealer in the shade Fair. So this is meant to illuminate the areas where you apply it. I am applying it underneath the eyes, but mostly to the inner part of the eye and the outer corners. I'm also using here a Japanese concealer brush to blend all this out. To set the concealer, I'm using from Bare Minerals a loose powder, which is the Well Rested. It's going to illuminate even more and set the under eye area. Also from Bare Minerals, it's the powder for the rest of my face, which is the Ready Line in Translucent, and this brush is from Real Techniques. It's a powder brush. The bronzer I'm using is from Kiko. It's the Sunproof Powder Foundation in 200 Light, and this brush is also from Ziva. So I'm using this powder foundation, which is a bit darker than my skin tone, as a bronzer as opposed to a regular bronzer, because I want just a touch of a sun-kissed skin. My highlight is the same one, and I'm going over the areas where I normally like to apply it. So on top of my cheeks, the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, just a little bit on the chin, and on top of my eyebrows. The blush is a current fave from Kiko. It's the Lip Me Lots collection in Coral Cuddle. It also has like a gold reflex through it, and I love it. I like it how it looks on my skin. I'm running then the same eyeshadow from Kiko underneath the eyes as well, with the same brush from Real Techniques. It's the smudging brush. And to finish off the look, I'm using a Maybelline lip liner in 132 Sweet Pink to line and outline a bit my lips. And the lipstick is absolute amazingness. It's L'Absolu Rouge in 349. So everyone, if you like this look, as always, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also follow me on social media to see what I have posted there. I hope you like this look because it's, as I've said, classic and timeless, and it suits anyone. I'm gonna catch you now in my next tutorial, so stay safe. Bye!